Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'll be helping you learn how to log into your Facebook Messenger in today's tutorial episode. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't yet, go ahead and press the bell icon so that you'll be instantly notified as soon as we post a new video. Tap open your Facebook Messenger from your app list, and as soon as it opens, enter your phone number or your email address associated with Facebook. After you enter the credentials, move on to the next field. Type in your password for your Facebook account, and after you're done, tap on the login button. If you want to double-check your password, then tap on the eye icon located at the right corner and reveal your password in order to check it. In case you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgotten Password link right below the login button and follow the instructions to reset your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can create a new account by tapping on Create a New Account. Now, after entering the credentials, tap on the login button, wait for a few seconds, tap on the Save Info if you want your password to be saved to the device. And on the next page, tap on Turn On. In order to allow access to your contact, tap on OK. If you want to set Messenger as your default SMS app, then you can tap on OK and select the Messenger from the list. If not, simply tap on Not Now and you will be logged into your Facebook Messenger. That is how it is done, pretty quick and easy. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.